my attempt at an automatic docking station. That's in the works. Here's my cool little lights that let us know we're on our way in here. Open the doors automatically, the cool sensors. Whoa. Overshot our docking station here. Back it up. Alright. Let's land this boy here. Make sure we're halfway aligned here. Okay. Hop out. Check this out. The green light comes on because we have a ship at the end of the green arm. That sensor there triggers that, and then obviously one for the blue arm right there, and yellow arm and red, and so on and so forth. And each sensor will trigger each light and let you know if you have a ship on either end of your rotating arm here. But we have our ship down there, and we need to bring it up so we can dock it. So this is how we'll do that. So that'll pull that in. Our light will go off now that we don't have a ship on the end no more. And I want to figure out how to automate at least getting the ship off of here and moved just to a holding area. So then like a busboy can move it, or maybe automate the entire process. But then it works obviously in reverse here. Got a ship on the end of the green one. It is there. Alright. And go jump on our ship and cruise away.